Another interesting node that create terraces for us is a Fractal Terraces, and it created terraces from other nodes. For example, a hill. To better understanding, I insert a hill. This is our hill. Change it to the auto level to better see the terraces. Then connect the output of that to input of the Fractal Terraces, and now you can see terraces or a step on a mountain. This is our hill. This is our terraces. As you can see, it's created terraces for you. In its settings, we have two main mode: improved, advanced mode, or classic. It gives less settings. With the spacing, octaves, if you decrease the number of the octaves, we have more steps or terraces. You can change the intensity of the terraces, so we have more sharper terraces there, or you can change the shape of that, or you can change the seats. Or if you want to add a tilt, you can add a tilt here, slope on the terraces. Amount of that, more slope, direction of that, warping amount, sizing amount, warping size, it warp class, style 1, 2, 3, or any or seed of that warping if you want to tilt that. Another mode is improved. It gives you more control to your terraces. Change the spacing of the steps, octaves, in this case more octaves, more steps or terraces, intensity of that. As you can see, if you increase the intensity, we have more flattened area in the terraces. Change the seed or randomness of them. Here you can change the character or height of the actually terraces, thickness, uniformity, hardness. You can change it. It's actually changing the, if you did the height map, you can better see there. As you can see, it changed the different contrast color between black and white, so it's affected in a 3D, or more details if you want. To better see the details anywhere in a Gaea, you have to increase the number of the resolution in viewport, or you can protect the range that I explained it in connection with other nodes, and tilt, or you can sharpen separation between terraces, so it gives you more settings there. Micro shape, if you want to increase or decrease of the number of micro shapes, and that's it. Try all of the settings to achieve your goal. As you can see, we have a nice steps at the top of our hill. So we can create interesting mountain with the Fractal Terraces. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.